Imagine packing for a trip where every hotel, every flight, every restaurant was perfectly chosen for you. Without a single Google search, without endless reviews, and without second-guessing every decision. That's not a dream. That's what travel will look like by 2027, powered by artificial intelligence and big data. We are standing at the edge of a travel revolution, one that doesn't just make trips faster or cheaper, but smarter, more personal, and more inclusive than ever before. Let's be honest, planning a trip today is exhausting. You open dozens of tabs. You compare flights that change price every hour. You read hundreds of reviews, many of them conflicting, and you hope nothing goes wrong once you arrive. For many travelers, the stress starts before the vacation even begins. And for people facing language barriers, disabilities, or accessibility challenges, travel can feel overwhelming instead of freeing. AI doesn't just search, it learns. It understands your budget, your pace, your interests, and your travel style. Instead of planning trips for everyone, AI designs trips around you. Flights are chosen for comfort and timing. Hotels match your preferences automatically. Restaurants align with your tastes and dietary needs. Activities adapt in real time based on weather, crowds, and your energy levels. One of the most powerful impacts of AI in travel is accessibility. For travelers with disabilities, AI is changing everything. Instead of relying on outdated listings or vague descriptions, AI analyzes real-world data to identify truly accessible hotels, transportation, and routes. Door widths, elevator access, terrain, bathroom layouts, and transit options are verified and updated in real time. Routes are optimized automatically, avoiding obstacles before they become problems. For the first time, accessibility is no longer an afterthought in travel planning. It's built directly into the experience, allowing travelers to move more independently, confidently, and safely. AI doesn't stop working once the trip begins. If a flight is delayed, AI reroutes connections instantly. If weather disrupts plans, itineraries adjust automatically. If transportation breaks down, alternatives are presented in seconds. Instead of reacting to problems, AI prevents them. This real-time intelligence reduces stress and increases safety, especially in unfamiliar destinations. Travel becomes smoother, calmer, and far more reliable. Language has always been one of the biggest barriers to meaningful travel. AI removes that barrier almost entirely. Multilingual AI companions translate conversations instantly, not just word for word, but with context and cultural awareness. Menus are translated on the spot. Signs are understood immediately. Conversations flow naturally. But the real transformation goes deeper than translation. AI helps travelers understand local customs, etiquette, and traditions before misunderstandings happen. This encourages respectful interaction and deeper cultural exchange. Travel becomes less about visiting places and more about connecting with people. AI is also transforming the destinations themselves. Cities now use big data to understand visitor patterns, crowd movement, accessibility needs, and sustainability challenges. This allows destinations to reduce overcrowding, improve safety, and create more inclusive environments for both travelers and locals. Smart destinations adapt in real time, guiding visitors away from congestion, improving transportation flow, and balancing tourism more responsibly. Travel becomes more sustainable, more thoughtful, and more welcoming. With all this power comes responsibility. The future of travel depends on ethical AI, protecting personal data, preventing bias, ensuring transparency, giving travelers control over how their information is used. When done responsibly, AI doesn't replace the human side of travel. It enhances it. This isn't science fiction. This isn't decades away. This is the next chapter of travel. Smarter, easier, more inclusive, and more human. Welcome to the age of AI-powered travel.